GameStop is going big into crypto and NFTs. Of course it is.
Mm-hmm.
Gaming retailer apparently wants publishers to sell NFTs through their new hub, NFT Hub. Yeah.
Kind of like, was it OpenSea?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it, OpenSea? Yeah. OpenSea
That
is
one?
blowing up, man. You look at like Google Trends on that stuff. It's like,
huge valuation.
It's already blown up, but yeah, okay. I mean, GameStop with the meme stock, with the Wall Street bets and all that, they're trying to, they got to kind of ride this wave into something.
Mm-hmm.
And there is this seemingly this connection between the crypto community and the Wall Street bets community and the what is it, like a smooth brain kind of ape community?
Yes.
And why is it all the same community?
It's just everything's really dumbed down.
It's interesting.
It's either you're with the good or the bad.
It's interesting. The diamond. People don't say that.
Diamond hands.
You're not hearing that as much anymore. But holding the hands, the holding of the bags,
hodling, yeah,
and the hodling. Anyway, it's all connected, and so it does make sense that GameStop would position itself as a focal point within that, and also gaming. I feel like gaming is kind of in there as well.
Yeah.
Which they're already there for that. And game companies and publishers have attempted their own play at NFTs, which we've talked about unsuccessfully so far, at least some of the ones we talked about.
Mm-hmm. That's why I feel like GameStop is a little bit more forgiving, like the company itself.
That they would be forgiven?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Because there's this weird love affair that people have with the brand.
Yeah.
Wanting it to exist and survive and willing to do the work to make that possible. Still at $140, man. They're hanging in there.
Mm-hmm.
And do a max. Give us a max on that chart. It's been a long time since we brought up a stock chart. Like, it's hanging in there. It's hanging in there.
Yes.
But what does it all mean? I mean, at a certain point, you got to figure out what you're going to do. People aren't buying games the way they used to. You got to figure out how you're going to maintain an important role in people's lives, and maybe crypto is that answer. Maybe
yeah.
The metaverse, it has some sort of
maybe
there's some sort of input there for a company like GameStop.